101.1 Smartfm, the Spirit of Indonesia. Yes, we are here as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. We have a special program with Smart FM, namely Smart Up Your Life with English Communities. Guys, smart viewers and listeners at home, as of course, as usually, I'm not alone here. We have a friends from many communities in Makassar. Hi, guys. Hello. Okay, how are you? Okay. As what I say just now, that our program is English Communities. That's why we have a special guest today from representative of each meeting club in Makassar. But by the way, before we are going to discussing about our topic for this evening, of course, we have to introduce yourself one by one. Maybe start from you. Okay, please introduce yourself. What is your name? Where are you from? What is your meeting club? And what about the schedule? Please.
Okay. Hi everyone.
Hi.
My name is Aulia Wasila Fatuna Salim, and you can call me Aulia.
Hi, Aulia.
Hi. Or my short name is Aulia Watlim. So my meeting club is BPEC.
What about the schedule?
It's every Sunday.
Yeah.
At 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. In Benteng, Rotterdam.
Okay, thank you, Aulia. Okay,
Yes.
Next. Okay, please introduce yourself. What is your name? Where are you from? What is your meeting club? And what about the schedule?
Well, hello everyone. My name is Aldi Wiradana.
Hi,
Aldi Wiradana, and you can call me Aldi. And my meeting club is actually Max Almarkas. Yeah. And
What stand for?
4 o'clock.
A stand for.
Stand for English community.
Yeah, Max.
Yeah, Max. Yeah. Max. We call
What about
Max.
the schedule?
The schedule? You can come every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And at 4
3
o'clock.
weeks.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. How can we call you?
Aldi.
Aldi.
Yeah.
Hi, Aldi. Welcome.
Yeah,
Okay, next. Please introduce yourself. What is your name? Where are you from? What is your meeting club? And what about the schedule?
Hello guys, my name is Anissa Nurwahida, and of course you already know what people call me, Nisa.
Nisa.
Because Nisa is familiar name.
Yeah. Hi, Nisa.
And then I'm as a representative of Equinsa. Yes, and Equinsa is just Equinsa.
No, I mean like there is no, how to say, kepanjangan, something like that. Equinsa.
Before it Equinsa is English community of UIN Sultan Alauddin.
Okay.
But then there are many, not many, but there are some students that join to Equinsa.
Oh yeah.
And then it changed to just Equinsa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. For universal.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Universal.
Yeah.
Okay. For public. For general.
Yeah, for general.
Okay. Nisa.
Nisa. Yeah.
Okay. Welcome, Nisa. What about you?
Okay.
The last one.
Okay. Hello everyone.
Hi.
My name is.
Yeah. Just speak. Come
Okay. My name is Rizkawati, but my friends always call me Ika.
on. Hi, Ika.
Hello. My community is Ambrius.
Ambrius. What stand for?
American Australian accent.
American British, maybe.
American British Australian accent.
Australian.
Yes.
Oh, so you have 3 accents.
No, I just can speak one accent. Yes,
Yeah.
okay.
What about the schedule of Ambrios?
Today twice in week.
Twice a week. What day?
Tuesday and Saturday.
Okay. Tuesday and Saturday. Selasa and Sabtu, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, welcome, in our program English Communities. Give a applause for us first. Because our guests already introduced themselves, each other, from each representative, from BPEC, from Max, from Equinsa, and from Ambrios. And of course, we are going and running our topic for this evening. Talking about young people as a young generation, of course, they have responsibility, they have a self-actualization, and they have a how to say dynamic life. And of course, in daily life, they want to actualizing their self, and one of a place to actualization their self is in organization organization. I mean, our topic is related with our opening tasting for this evening. The topic is organization for youth. Giving applause for us. Yeah, let's start. Are you ready, guys? Okay, are you ready? Yeah. Okay. My first question, Aulia. Okay, what do you think about our topic for this evening? Organization for youth.
Wow, it's really interesting topic because what we know, young people,
Yeah.
especially, they are have a big passion to learn about life, explore their environment. So talking about organization, I mean, it's really a good choice for young people or for youth to reach what they're like for. So
So do you mean this is a positive?
Yeah, very positive, very positive. Like what we know, there is no COVID-19 right now.
Okay.
So I mean, people that still have a lot of curiosity about their life, trying to figure it out, right? Trying to what I need to do, what I should do, what is that, what is this. So organization is one of the examples. So in that place, you can just choose what's your passion, what's your ability, and just focus on that. If you want to try another things, then you can do it. And then if you want to do more, just go for it.
Okay, keep your statement. Thank you, Aulia.
Yeah,
Okay,
you're
I
welcome.
will back to you later. Okay, what about you, Aldi from Max? What do you think
Yes.
about our topic for this evening?
Yeah, I mean, this topic is actually very essential, yeah, especially for the teenager, right? Because organization is actually a group of people, that sets or material or a knowledge, that are coordinated to meet a set of objectives, actually.
Yeah,
And basically, what I know about organization is actually mostly not only for teenager, but all of the age that wants to express their English, for example, or any skills that they want, right? And what I applaud to organization is actually we can get education or skill or relationship or networking for free, right? That's the things that I applaud to have organization, and I really enjoy because the existence of organization is actually build up my skill. That's why I'm here, right? Because of organization.
And of course, to explore ourselves, especially for youth, right? Yeah, for organization. So do you think this is very positive or only positive?
Yeah, it's very positive, especially for organization which stand for skill, building up the skill, right? Yeah, I really spend my time to look for the organization to build my skill, not like like only for organization which stand for like such kind of like himpunan. Yeah, I don't really enjoy with that kind of thing, but because they just spend their time with talking.
Okay.
And they talk about leadership.
So I can guess what kind of organization you like. Okay, keep your statement. I will move to you later. Okay, I move to the next or the other speakers. What about you, Nisa? How do you think about our topic for this evening?
Yeah, because today is our topic is organization for youth. I think it's a really interesting topic because we know that we are as a young people, we eager to want to something new in our life, right? And I think it's really a chance to us as a young people that organization can offering opportunities to build our social skill and build our competencies.
Definitely.
Yes, in community and in our social life. And I think it's a really interesting topic today.
Do you think the organization only like in bahasa pelarian? Because only just you just want to how to say keep away from the statement or image that mahasiswa is only campus and how to say boarding house. Yeah, so is it only pelarian or what?
I think if you think that way, Yeah, it's true.
Really?
But,
Is that honest?
yeah, pelarian.
Oh my God.
Some of the people say that pelarian, but for me it's not, because I join organization just for I want to know something that I passionate about.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you, Nisa.
Yeah,
Give your
thank you.
statement. Okay. What about you? Okay. How do you think about our topic for this evening?
Okay, I think this not only a positive impact for young people, but it's really important to discuss about, because for organization is not only to learn something new, but we can build our relationship, or maybe improve our communication skill.
Yeah.
So I think it's very important
To also to develop inter and intrapersonal skills. How we can interact, how can we build our connection with the others peoples, how can we how to say get many friends as much possible we can.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. Any else statement?
Okay, so the other things, for example, me. Actually, since I was in senior high school, I'm really shy to meet much people.
Okay.
I'm literally
Are you
nervous.
introvert?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
So, but I'm so I can attend here because I routine to join the embryos. So the community, I learned to how to speak fluently, or maybe, and then how to brave to say something,
and also confidence.
Yes.
Right. To how to say showing up yourself on public. Right.
Yes. Right.
Especially for public speaking. Right.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. I move to for the next question. My second question is Nisa again. What kind of organization do you like and why?
Yeah. For me, because I am in Equinsa, so you can see that I like organization that it's about talks about language.
Yeah.
For language, especially in English language. Because in my senior high school, also I joined in English community, English club in my senior high school.
Well, what about the others? I mean, except language community as an organization. What about the other? I mean, except English language community. Like maybe HMJ or Karang Taruna or like why do you laugh? Or maybe party, party. Partai. or maybe religion organization like AMM, like and others. Okay, what about others organization?
Yeah, about others organization, what comes in my mind, like maybe an art organization.
Okay.
Actually, I love an art, but I never join in art organization.
Okay.
I don't know why, because I just already like an art, and I need to learn something new.
You have to researching or kepo in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so far you like only language community as an organization.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Nisa. What about you, Aldi? What kind of organization do you like?
Well, I really like to spend my time to join an organization which is about language, right? Not only in English, but I also interest to learn, many languages. Like depends if I have organization that kind of thing, I will join in that kind of community.
May I answer it? Polyglot.
Yeah, but I want to be a polyglot, but I'm still trying to learn that language, even though it's really hard. But I try my best.
So, what about the others organization?
Basically, because I like to spend my time to do sport. Like because I'm a masculine man, right? I'm a man, right? So I spend much time to sport, like join in futsal, futsal, and jogging track with my friend.
What the name of the community?
Just fun run. Yeah, that's actually one of my community. I don't mention that this actually community because that's this informal community.
You may even though, but that is community.
Yeah.
But you know, community, how to say, belum tentu organisasi, but organisasi sudah jelas community.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you may mention that is community.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are just like, I mean, like, prefer to language community, right?
Yeah.
Same with Nisa.
Yes, of course. Yeah. I prefer to choose.
Okay. Why?
Yeah, because not about English, but it's actually about public speaking, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I can be confident to speak up to the others, even in radio. Yeah. Yeah. I'm trying to be brave. Yeah. Because by having organization, not only improve English but also public speaking itself. That's why I really interested to join in organization which is actually about language.
Okay, thank you. Benefit. Okay, thank you. What about you, Olia? What kind of organization do you like? Did I say also English community, language community? Oh my god! Give creativity.
I love to learn about cultural and about language. But I mean, actually, I fond of art. Art. Yeah, I really.
What kind of art? Because it's large.
A lot.
Yeah.
I love drawings. I love painting, coloring, musical. So much more. Videography, photography.
Did you hang out to F8, F8
Yeah.
festival? Because there, oh my god, the art is very, very fantastic.
It's very, but because I am introvert person, I feel like it's very exhausted there. But yeah, I go around and see. Oh my, like.
But I believe
gosh,
you can control yourself to be extrovert.
Yep.
Because right now there is solution about it. Introvert can be how to say extrovert, and opposite also. Something
I mean, in that even I enjoy it. I enjoyed all of them, but yeah, back to home. Feel exhausted.
So have you ever joined?
I have.
Okay,
I have.
What the name?
It's in my campus. It's UKM Seni.
UKM Seni blah blah blah. What?
UKM Seni UNM. I forget what is the the name of the UKM, but I joined that and I learned a little bit about violin because I don't know. Yeah, I like music and I want to know about
what kind of music you like. Arabian, Selawatan, or
a lot. I cannot
K-pop.
choose one. I love K-pop.
Oh, really?
I love
Wow.
Japan music. I love
Harajuku.
yeah. I mean all of them.
Like Novel, maybe like Harajuku style.
I like Yoasobi and Radwimps. Ada Lucky Tapes. That's my favorite.
Tapes.
My favorite band from
What about
Japan.
GKT48?
I love it so much.
Won't you? Okay,
Yep.
thank you, Alia.
Sure.
Okay, what about you, Ika?
Yes.
Yeah, what about you, Ika? What kind of organization do you like and why?
First, actually, I'm introvert person, so I just looking.
Oh my god, too many introvert here.
Yes.
How many introvert?
I just looking community or organization who there is my passion. Like now I wanted to improve my English skill, so I just looking for English community.
Community.
Yes.
Yeah. What about writing skill?
Oh, it's so hard. So
Writer, to be a writer, maybe you have communities,
No.
something like that.
no, I don't have other community. I just only join the community, English community.
What about the probably? I mean, like kemungkinannya. Maybe you interest with the others organization or like.
I think not.
Not.
Yes.
Oh, so far.
Yes, so far not, because.
But we don't know. Who knows for the
who knows?
right?
Maybe in the future
Mm-hmm.
I will get much communities, but for now I can define my focus. So
Yeah, the future you will be princess. Kidding. Yeah, absolutely, right? Absolutely. Of course.
I mean.
Every woman will be princess, right?
Okay, it's a good part. So I mean, so I think there's so far I can only join one community. So I
only embryos.
Yes.
Okay. Embryos. We talk about embryos is one of communities that join with English community in here on Smartfm, right? So
Yes.
I mean, like, as embryos, what about the how to say since? I mean, like, founded. Who is the founder of embryos?
Oh, Ikram Anas.
Ikram.
Yeah. Actually, is
How old already embryos?
maybe it's running one year maybe.
About 1-2 years
Yeah,
around.
'cause, yeah. Embryos is how to say it? Publicate.
Yeah, yeah.
Publicate since before Ikram graduate
Mhm.
in campus. So maybe 1
And
year.
Ikram watch you on YouTube.
Oh yeah, I think he's here.
Ikram.
Yeah, I think.
Okay, thank you, Ika. Okay, my next question. Okay, Aldi, what the benefit you got from organization so far?
Well, as what I mentioned before is actually a public speaking skill. Not only in public speaking skill, but also about having a friend. Having a friend. We can have a conversation regularly because of the existence of friends in organization itself. And then the benefit is actually speaking in English in front of speaking in English in radio, right? That's actually one of my benefits. That I spend my
Is this
time
your
in
dream?
Yeah. Of course.
To be honest, to be honest, to be
It's
honest.
actually a part of my dream, because I cannot imagine that I'm here, right?
But you
Yeah.
get loose from your twin.
Yeah.
Your twin is frequently frequently present here, right? This is your first time, right?
Yeah, this is my first time actually. Yeah, compared to my brother, I mean he frequently comes to this probably 4 times.
I see. Yeah, 4 times maybe.
Yeah, I have a lot of benefits here.
Especially for self-development, right?
Yeah, for personal branding. Yeah, for personal branding, because if I want to look for the job, I have like a certificate, or if you are a part of a leader or a part of take an example like a leader discussion. You will be certificated by the organization itself. Then you can easily to promote or easily to get a job because you already have a certification to join in some organization.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is actually
Pilot.
No, I just my dream job is actually I cannot imagine my dream jobs, but I hope that I can be important person in government.
Important person.
Whether it's
abu-abu
minister,
banget ya.
I hope
unpredictable. Important. Everything is important.
But I hope I can be like a minister. Mentor.
Oh wow.
But just dream, right? Just dream whatever we want.
I have a dream. Okay, thank you, Aldi. Okay, okay, back to you, Ika. What about you? What did you say just now? The question? Benefit. What is the benefit?
Join
organization.
The community. Organization. Generally or personally?
Up to you.
Okay. Personally, Okay. Personally, the benefit of joining the organization or community is make to get yourself a high value.
High value.
And then to help you make your dream come true. By the relations or maybe your communication skills. That's it.
Any else?
No.
Okay, give your statement. Aulia, what about you, Aulia? What is the benefit you got so far?
Well, I might say that it's really give impact to my passion.
Okay, before you continue my question, have you ever joined in with OSIS, maybe like the Pramuka, PMR, something like that?
Marching band, actually.
Marching band.
Yes.
Oh,
I
out of
have-
field. Okay, so
really?
what is the benefit?
From marching band, about teamwork, of course.
Mm-hmm.
And I got a new family there.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we support each other and learn fun things together. I mean, me and my friends have same interest, so we didn't feel alone, and we can share.
You are not alone.
I am here with you. Yeah, so
You're gonna sing?
I mean, talking about pelarian, I'm kinda in that statement.
Okay, keep your statement. We'll be right back after this 101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. 101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. We are back. Okay, giving applause first. Okay, my next question. Yeah, still talking about organization, guys, for smart viewers and listeners at home. Okay. Who is gonna be the first? Okay, Aldi. How needs for you organization?
Actually, I really need organization. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Every team. If I have a leisure time, so I spend my time to join an organization because I think it's really essential to my my future.
Mm-hmm.
Right? That's why I spend my time. Whatever. Even though that I have free time. Every day I have a free time. I will spend my time to be in the organization itself. That's why I really need that kind of organization itself.
Do you feel headache when you are not attend to your organization?
Because if I feel headache, so I spend my time to organization.
Yeah, that's why you
to
feel
be happy.
right?
Yeah. I mean, no, I don't get headache, but I just get happy because I have a lot of friends. Not only talking about English itself, but also have a chit chat.
I mean, with that organization, you feel headache. To reduce your headache, you're going to organization, right?
Yes, of course. Yeah,
That's my
yeah.
question.
Yeah, oh yeah. I feel headache because I have no anything to do. I stay at
gabut.
home. Yeah, that's why.
Gabut, yeah?
Yeah, you nothing to do. So and you get mad by your parents self.
Yeah.
And you feel headache at the time. That's why we have to spend our time to to refresh our mind to improve our capability. And it's actually my the things that I really wants to improve is actually by joining an organization is actually make you feel confident. That's why I join in organization.
Okay, thank you, Aldi. What about Ika? How needs you for organization?
I think it's very important. There's deep meaning for my life because I'm introvert. So
are you got feeling blue when you are not attend to your organization?
Oh yes.
Really? Galau?
Yes, sometimes.
Galau jika tidak hadir.
Yes.
Why?
Yeah, because I only join one community, so I think if I lose the opportunity, I will maybe
lose hope.
That's habis gitu. Yeah, I think it's very regret, right? So I think I have to attend.
And suddenly the word is the end. Dunia langsung berakhir ya. You're not going there.
Yes. So I think it's very important to build my career, especially. So I have to take a lot of the opportunity, but it's not mean I have to take all the community to join there. So I think I can only focus one community. So far I think it's very important.
You are very loyal.
Yes.
Oh, giving applause.
Thank you.
Very loyal. Okay, what about you, Aulia? How needs you for organization?
Well, in my opinion, it's actually depends on the person. So talking about academic or organization, I mean, you need to.
Which one is the person or necessary? Tergantung yang mana, orangnya apa kebutuhannya?
Of course necessary.
Yeah.
But choices is depends on the person. So I think the person.
The person.
Suddenly
you're confused.
I mean, talking about necessary.
Okay.
I mean, person have a mentality. So I mean, if you need that, but your mental is not, still not ready to do that. I mean, it's gonna be messy. So I think it depends on the person. You need to make your priority. Which one is like the highest and then the lowest. So in my perspective, I still focus on my academic just for now, and talking about organization is just for my hobby and to developing my skills. So for me, is it really important? Yes, it is important as long as my academic is not getting down.
As long as you get paid. No,
not
kidding.
I mean,
kidding.
Organization is just a place to make sure that I didn't get stressed, because we really are pouring what we interest, right? So that is for. But talking about life, about reality, I mean, I also need to empowering my academic skills. So about soft skill and hard skills, we need to balance between of them.
Yeah.
Right?
Smart, very smart. Like smart of them. Okay, thank you, Olia. Okay, what about you, Nisa?
Yeah.
Do you copy? Do you get my question?
Can you repeat it again?
What is my question?
Yeah.
What is it?
I forget.
How needs?
Oh, how
yeah,
needs.
how needs.
I really need to join in organization because I love to being busy.
Productive.
Yeah, I love to being productive.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I love to interact with people, and I love to hear people's perspective in any kind of talks. And I think it's very important to me to join an organization because it can build my skill, and also it can make me productive in my daily life. And I think.
Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. My next question is, what is the weakness? Okay. Who gonna be the first speaker? Raise your hand. Okay. Okay. Lisa. Yeah. What is the weakness in your perspective?
Yeah, in my perspective, it's I think it's best on people's itself, because I think organization can take people's time. It depends on people. When you are busy in organization, you have to see what's the focus on your life.
Sometimes our family do not support about organization, because why you join with organization? You just spend your time with organization, but you how to say, you back to home, it's to I mean like midnight, something like that. Oh my God, it's useless. It's useless. You have to maybe work because it's money is more important than organization. I mean, like side job, something like that. Sometimes, oftenly, our family not support. How do you think about that statement?
Actually, I have a strict parents. That they're
strict.
Yeah, strict, really strict. And
ketat, yeah.
Yeah, when in my maba, I want to join an English community that I joined in Equinsa, and my parents did not accept that, because I have to come back home and after I finish my study in campus. And by time passes, I explain to them, I talk to them that I need to build myself, that like I need to communicate with people, because
how can you build yourself? You working out?
Yeah.
I'm kidding.
No, my skill. I mean my skill. I need to communicate with people, because I need to improve my communication skill, improve my knowledge in others' perspective. So by time passes, my parents accepted.
Wait, are you okay? Daydreaming, something like daydreaming. Okay, continue.
Yeah. So I think I can relate with your question before that. My parents before didn't accept me to join organization, but it's depend on in person itself, because I talk to them and they accept that and they see my apa.
Do not hesitate to say in bahasa.
Yeah, I'm just thinking what's the word, bukan effort.
Saying in bahasa, please.
Yeah.
You may.
Ya not potential, but apa ya, seperti kemajuan, kemajuan in my daily life when I join to community or organization, so they let me to continue my
make a progress.
Yeah. I make a progress.
Okay,
in my
thank you.
Yeah.
What about you, Ika? don't daydreaming. Okay, what about you? What is the weakness of organization?
Actually, because I'm not joined a lot of organizations, so I don't know too much about the weakness.
Yeah, try to imagine.
But based on my experience when I was senior high school,
not what you when you was child, no. Okay, continue, please.
Okay, there is a community like Novals, Nurfala language lovers. Yeah, I joined that because I think it's really important. The moment I think it's really important to learn about two language, Arabic and English.
Yeah.
But I don't like. There is a weakness because the leader always come late.
It's not role model.
Yes, of course.
The role model is very important to lead the organization.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, because the top of the organization is the leader, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so the leader should be a role model. Yeah, right.
So that's why I think it's very annoying when we join organization, but
so after that you replace him or her.
Okay, so now that one of my reason why I just join one community, because I very hate to see someone always late. But sometimes I don't deny that I also sometimes late to come to.
It's normal.
Yeah, to join the community, but we can normalization late time. So we have to manage our time better again.
Yeah. You know, when we late, it's normal, but not always.
Yeah.
Not always, yes. And always, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Alia? What is the weakness? What are the weakness of organization?
Okay. Maybe I'm gonna say that it's about choices. So can you just imagine, like, there are like two important events that you wanted to attend, and it's in the same time, in the same day, and you cannot choose which one is you want to attend.
You have to be a MOBA. How to say split yourself. A MOBA.
So yeah, it's so dilemma. Like, we love both of them, but we cannot attend both of them because we're just one person.
Yeah, that's why you have to split yourself.
We're die.
Not the time split by yourself is split.
So yeah, I think it's the weakness about the times or organization that we want to.
But you talk about time management. You have to force. You have to push yourself to decide precisely.
Sometimes we're just an ordinary human. We really wanna do all things in one day, but we have energy.
Yeah,
and
sometimes we have split ourselves to be 10 people.
Yeah, and
in a day,
we need to sacrifice one of them, and
It's dilemma.
It's shameless for me.
Dilemma, right?
Yep, I think that's the weakness.
Yeah. So the weakness is about dilemma because you have to split yourself, but you have how to say keterbatasan because the time management are all the time in a day only 24 hours, but your necessary is more than 24 hours.
Yeah.
Actually, we are the same.
Yeah, right. I think productivity is good, but you mean we need to know about our
focus, but stay distraction.
a little bit cheating. I mean, it's
normal.
okay.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Aldi? What is the weakness of organization?
The weakness of organization is actually about the time management, like our sister said. Of course, time management, and then also about responsibility, right? Many of people or many of member of in organization, they try to make sure our responsibility. Yeah, if we come late, that's actually one of your responsibility.
What about overlapping? I mean, like you have to choose. I mean, like there are two choices that you have to choose only one, but you are very confused which one do you want to choose. That is we call overlapping. Yang tumpang tindih.
Yeah.
So what about that? Have you faced something like that or never or haven't yet? Atau belum?
Yeah, I have that kind of problem, but we can fix before that day. We can have communication with someone's that is actually
someone like you.
No, with someone that have take an example like a party. We can have communication that I cannot come in that occupation because I have a schedule. So we have to make sure our schedule.
Yeah,
that's we call responsibility. And not only about responsibility, but also about bad commentary. When we organize organization, there are many things or distraction or temptation that can always hit us. That's actually organization, right?
So the thing is talking about moral and morality. Moral and moral, right? Include of responsibility, right? Your reaction, like comments come from people's, right?
Of course.
Yeah. So actually that also include dilemma. Yeah.
Oh yeah, of course.
Dilemma also. Dilemma is not only Indonesian word, but actually dilemma come from English word dilemma. Dilemma. Okay. The question is clear. Okay. My next question is maybe guys you can conclude. What is your conclusion only about our topic for this evening? Okay, before you answer my question, please guys prepare your vocabularies for your conclusion, your final statement, your idioms, and wise word. Idioms and wise word. Okay, please. Your conclusion. Focus on the conclusion.
Yeah, okay. My conclusion is it's okay if you want to focus on your organization or in your academic, as long as you have the big responsibility with what you choose. I mean, life is about choices, so it's not about is it a good way or bad way, but it's about how your responsibility to take that actions. So yeah, it's not about is it bad or good, but it's about how your choices about your life. Are you really interested with that, or you regret about your opinions? So that's up.
It's about choices, and people have to choose you. Yeah.
For what?
Because you are Caleg.
Okay.
No kidding.
Maybe,
yeah, the season now is a strong campaign. Sorry. Out of the topic. Thank you. What about you? What about your conclusion?
My conclusion is when you want to join in some organization, you have to pay attention with yourself. It means like you have to make sure your responsibility, your management, your time management, it's actually one of your development characteristic. Yeah, if you are
building character.
Of course. Building character. If you already make sure that kind of thing, I mean, you can be successful in that kind of organization. If you are not ready for that kind of thing, I think it's actually, like we said, like Indonesian statement means like beban, yeah, beban, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we have to make sure that kind of thing, yeah. And actually, my wife, we are youth. Spend your time with the positive things, because we will be change of future. We will be a great leader in the future, because we will change a leader, especially in the government or in politics, maybe, yeah. So we have
you
to
can change and you can reveal.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
You know what I mean, reveal.
Reveal, yeah.
Ganti parfum,
Yeah.
ganti shampoo. Sorry, out of the topic.
Yeah. That's my conclusion, actually. Yeah.
Okay. What about you, Nisa? Surahan Nisa?
Because we are young people, so we need to try every chance that we need to in our life. So I think it's really important to us to try everything that we want to before we get old and menyesal. Yeah, I think that's the
I mean, like
conclusion
you
for me.
want to put legacy, history, experience.
Yeah, of course.
That's so you will telling your
Story
generation, right?
Yeah, to the if we have a umur yang panjang.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Umur yang panjang.
So I have a dream to tell my stories, my experience to my child. So
Okay.
in the future.
Thank you, Nisa. What about you, Ika? Are you okay, Nisa? Ika?
Okay, so
Okay, what about you? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Yeah, well, my conclusion is no matter how much organization that you want to follow, you have to make sure yourself ready for that, and you have to responsibility till the end. So, and the first thing, the first very important thing that you have to join the organization is time management. I always remember when teachers say al-waktu kasayf. Waktu itu bagaikan pedang.
Is Arabic that word is Arabic? It's cool.
So you have to make yourself always on time, maybe, or just that's it. You have to use your time well.
Give the best.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Aulia? Do you have idioms or vocabularies relate our topic for this evening?
Oh, I have.
Yeah, please.
Idiom.
Yeah.
I always using this when there is nothing special in my day. It's nothing to write home about.
Could you translate to Indonesian, please?
In Indonesia, it's say tidak ada yang ditulis tentang rumah atau tidak ada yang ditulis di rumah, like that. So it means like there is nothing special in that day. It seems like it's boring or just flat. So
and the second, your second idioms, do you have, right?
No, only one.
Only one. What about the vocabularies? Do you have about our topic? Yeah.
I don't know. It's related about the topic or not.
Yeah, try.
But I like this vocabulary these days. It's exaggerated.
Please.
It's lebay or berlebih-lebihan.
What is in English?
Exaggerated.
Exaggerated.
Yeah. So I mean, maybe it's about that's I say about energy. So they say that it's better if we do a thing.
Okay, thank you.
Constantly.
Thank you. What about you? Do you have vocabularies? Mention and translate. Only that. Make it short.
Yeah, I don't really like to make idiom, but what I know is actually, just open your mind, right? Just open your mind, because if you are if you accept your character, probably people will accept you. Just open your mind.
Okay, thank you. Ali, what about you? Do you have vocabularies? Mention and translate.
Yes,
only
just
that.
2 words.
Yeah. Okay, please.
Try everything.
Okay, what is that? Indonesia? You have to translate to Indonesia.
Try everything is harus mencoba semuanya.
Okay, anyways.
Just that.
Okay, what about you? Do you have vocabularies?
Yes, I have.
Okay, please mention and translate only. Please.
2 words.
Okay,
Okay.
please.
Self-improvement.
What is that?
pengembangan diri.
Okay, thank you. Thank you guys for coming. Giving applause for us. That's all our conversation about our topic this evening. Topic is organization for you. So stay tuned, of course, as a Tuesday at 7 p.m. with Smartfm 101.1, The Spirit of Indonesia. See you next week. Bye.